Hello everyone, back with another video on my channel. Just before the video starts, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button under the video. If you like the video as well, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget, ring that bell to get notifications on every time we post new videos on the channel. Today we've been sent in another video from one of our viewers off Facebook, so a big thank you to them. This video has been produced and made, I should say, from Mac Photography, and the place they was filming at is at a place, Peter Marshall Farms. So this video is of them potato lifting of there's some, I think there's, if I can remember rightly, is class tractors in the field on potato box trailers, flatbed trailers with boxes on, I should say. And as well as that, they got a potato harvest all-rounder. Like I said, round Herefordshire, I know there's a few people do it, but we don't see a lot of all-rounders. And what I mean by all-rounders, if people watching the beginning of this video don't really understand what I'm saying, all-rounder is the potatoes are lifted, they go up the harvester, and then on the back of the harvester there's a separate platform where people stand on and pick some of the bad potatoes off and some of the rubbish as well. But you're going to see a bit of that from the video, so I'm going to shut up now, because I know there's a lot of people who don't like me talking, they'd rather see the video going. And then at the end, I'll see you at the end, and we'll have a quick chat before we finish the video, so stay watching.
And we're any other colors, posters covering our walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind, breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. Don't you worry about me. If I keep feeling like I'm missing something, don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
wasn't that some fantastic footage of the potato harvester lifting potatoes? And I think you've got the flavour of what an all-rounder means by an all-rounder potato harvester. So I don't know, it all depends how this video has come out, which weekend it's come out on. You might have already seen it, or it might not have come out yet. But on our Facebook page, we have started a competition of a photography competition of people sending in photographs to us for two fantastic causes. We're going to be doing a calendar, a charity calendar, and the charity calendar is going to be in aid of Macmillan and Cancer Research UK. So I'll repeat them again: Macmillan and Cancer Research UK. If the competition is out, you'll soon see if the competition is open or closed. It'll be on our Facebook page, because some of these videos we produce sometimes are 2 weeks behind where we are at the moment on the channel. So I do apologize if the competition is shut. If you head over to the Facebook page, you will see if the competition is open or shut. Once the calendar is produced, it is going to go on our website. We are building a website at the moment, and it will go on the website so everybody can pop over there and purchase the calendar from the website, and that will go live. You will see on the Facebook page, but I will do a video as well of once it's gone live for some, and I will show as well the calendar as well once it's produced, what the calendar looks like. The company at the moment, I'm going to announce the company we're working with. It's a well-known printers in Herefordshire we're working with, and they are going to be producing the calendar for us as well. And another company as well who's building the website is from Hereford as well, and I'll give them a shout out as well once we got a bit further on with the things, with how far we're getting along. But we're very excited to see. To do this calendar. Like I expect people can gather by now, we usually do a Christmas light display at our property, but unfortunately to the COVID virus, we cannot do the Christmas light display this year. So we thought we'd do the calendar. So I hope everybody can get behind us on our YouTube channel and on our Facebook page, and get behind us and support us for this fantastic charity. And everybody likes the calendar, so please come along and purchase a calendar once the calendar is gone live. So I think that's going to be it for this video. So thank you ever so much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you again very soon. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.